Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to make the easiest fudge you can possibly make. So I'm going to get this pan over a very low heat. I've got 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Get as much of that goodness in there as I can. I want just a dash of salt. Oops, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. And a 12-ounce package of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I've already got my bowl buttered, or my dish buttered rather, that I'm going to put this fudge into. So now I'm just going to gently heat and continuously stir the chocolate chips into the condensed milk. Excuse me. Nearly done. If you like, you can put a few chopped walnuts into the mix. Or any kind of chopped nut. And there, my fudge is ready to dish into the pan. Now that I've got it all in the pan, I'm going to spread it. I hear you. I hear you. spread it fairly evenly out through the pan. And now I'm going to let this cool, and I'll be back with the finished when it's finished. Hi, I'm back, and the fudge is cooled. So I'm going to take a sharp knife and cut it. Pop a little piece out. And give it a little taste. Nice and creamy. I think that my recipe is going to recommend using milk chocolate instead of semi-sweet, because it's a little bit on the bitter side. If you like semi-sweet, it's all right, but milk chocolate might be better. Hopefully you'll give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.